Hello guys, this is a class 11th trigonometry question. Today we are going to learn a class 11th question, that is cos 7 pi by 6. We are going to learn the splitting method in which we break down into two different uh, uh, we do splitting of that. Okay, so 7 pi by 6 can be written as pi plus pi by 6. So how does that happen? We are going to learn. So this is a class 11th question. So let us focus this on now. So nothing hard here. Cos 7 pi by 6, class 11th question, splitting method. Okay, now how to do this? Okay, how to do this? How do we have any idea about this? Look, cos 7 by 6, 7 pi by 6, we just need to do one thing. This pi by 6 we have to take. Okay, in any denominator, if you take 3 pi by 4 also, you have to take pi by 4. Okay, so this is applicable in most of the questions and it is very simple. Okay, so 7 pi by 6, what we are going to group it into pi by 6. Here we are only going to take pi by 6, because why? Because why? 7 multiply pi by 6, it can be written, so we are taking pi by 6. So now we have to use our linear equation method only, means equation method. Okay, so x plus pi by 6 is equal to 7 pi by 6, means we have to find a number when added with pi by 6 gives 7 pi by 6. Simply this when will go left side, this will be 7 pi by 6 minus pi by 6. Okay, so x is equal to what? 7 pi minus pi, 6 pi. 6 pi by 6, 6 gets cancelled, so x is equal to pi. Therefore x is equal to pi. So we got to know that cos 7 pi by 6 can be written as cos 7 pi by 6. Okay, can be written as what? Cos pi plus pi by 6. Nothing wrong here, because we just split it, right? We found two numbers that when added will give us 7 pi by 6. So simply we made these two numbers. Now cos pi is what? If you will check on this quadrant, cos pi, pi means what? 180 degree. Okay, pi means to 180 degree. So once 180 degree happens, what? We know that it never changes, because this is if x-axis, this is if y-axis. In y-axis, what? This cos sign always changes. Okay, but it x, it never changes. Okay, so hence in xy it will not change. So hence we have cos pi by 6. Now pi will get cancelled, because what? It is always constant. Okay, this thing also, if it was 2 pi, 2 pi means what? 2 pi means what? 180, another 180, this will come again in x-axis. So then again same thing will happen. Okay, so pi will be gone, cos pi will give us same value. Okay, so cos pi by 6, now pi by 6 is what? Cos 30. Cos 30, if you will write it, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Now most people make wrong over here only, guys. Look, cos 30, now we got cos pi by 6, but listen one thing, we cannot just write it like this. Cos pi by 6, if we see, it falls on, look, cos 180, and then pi by 6 means 30 degree, means it falls on third quadrant. Now when it falls on third quadrant, it will always be minus, so minus root 3 by 2. Okay,